Hi, this is Ruki Viji here. In this video, we are going to take a look at RTX 3050 GPU. It is from MSI and the model is Gaming X. In the back of the box, you have the basic specifications of the GPU. This box comes without a seal from MSI. I'm not sure why it is. Now let's open the box and let's have a close look at the product itself. It is a entry-level card from Nvidia in the 30 series lineup, and it comes around 22,200 MSRP by Nvidia. But since I have brought this card in a local retailer, I'm able to get this card around 44,000. I have brought this card as my GTX 650 is dead. If you are planning to upgrade your card and you want in a MSRP, you have to visit RP Tech and you have to get in the queue. MSI has provided a manga book which has a cute little dragon which tells how to upgrade your existing GPU. Now let's place all the documentation aside and let's take a look at the GPU itself. This GPU cover has the seal in it. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this card. It has a 8 GB GDDR6 memory and a memory speed of 14 gigabits per second with 2560 CUDA cores. It has a PCIe Gen 4 interface and a core clock of 1845 MHz. The max power consumption is 130 watts and the recommended PCU is 550 watt by MSI. But I am still using it with the 450 watt PSU and it is working fine. And it supports DirectX version 12 and OpenGL 4.6. It has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port output. In the top you have a 8-pin connector and a MSI logo which has the RGB lighting. At the back of the card it is covered with a black metal plate with the MSI logo and the product serial number. This dual fan card is heavy in the hand due to the thermal system called as Twin Forza 8, which has Torex Fan 4.0, core pipe optimization, and fin and airflow control. I have been using this card for around 3 months. In 1080p gaming at medium or high preset, you will be getting 60 frames per second, and the core temperatures are oscillating between 40 to 50 degree in ideal. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section and subscribe for more upcoming videos.